Alright, I'm just gonna do like a quick trade recap for everyone. So yeah, so I took this just an hour ago, and I was looking for a quick scalp actually. So because we have been selling off overnight, we've been basically dumping all the way down. I was actually looking for more of a retracement entry. So what I did here was I didn't touch the charts at all until I saw a break in fair value gap. So when this happened, it gave me a bit of confidence to enter. So as you can see here, we formed a fair value gap here, but at 8:55 we are going up, and then when it tapped back into the inverse, that is where I actually went long. So I went long around here, and then I put my stops to this low, and then afterwards I was looking for these highs to get targeted, and yeah, I think it's quite clean. So I bought in for 2 contracts, and then yeah, that was just a pre-market trade because I didn't want to enter at 9:30 because we had news today. Let's see. So where we're at right now is yeah, the market is still crazy selling, right? So probably not gonna touch anything for now today. um it looks like we are trending lower because of earnings. um yeah, and generally the market has been going up for quite a while, so the pullback is expected. So I might not touch the charts after this, after I step away. Yep, that's just a very quick update. Alright, see you guys.